Hello, I am Britain from Congo in Africa. I have been in India now for 2.5 years and I came here not knowing anything about India, and I was just suggested by a friend, but it was not my first choice coming to India. But yes, after being in India, one of the first things which I heard when I just reached India, which many foreigners told me, was that Indians are childish, and I didn't know what to respond about it, that it needed a time for me to understand why they say that they are childish, and now I understood something about why people say, especially foreigners, that Indians are childish. First thing which I want to make clear in this video is that I'm not making this as a provocative thing or trying to insult the personality of anyone or of India, but I just want to explain a personal opinion on why do people say that Indians are childish. Making this clear and simple, foreigners usually say that Indians are childish because of some simple reasons, like they're too emotional, they're too sensitive, they support so much anyone who comes in the name of India or praising India, and these reasons push people saying that Indians are childish, or maybe they are strong fanaticism on cricket, on religion, or any other thing which can be, which foreigners may fail to understand why they're too much committed to it. And yes, there are so many other reasons, and among the reasons which I heard, especially when I came here, is when I could see maybe people in the campus of the university, boys running after another one, playing games or doing things. People say that they are childish. But before I explain why do people say so, I have something very simple which I want to explain first, and this will come from one question which I've been mostly asked here in India, which many Indians ask me, is what do I love the most about India? And when they ask this question, the things which usually they usually wait for is maybe the food, the culture, the music, or anything like that. What do I like the most about India? And my answer is usually the same, which might not be an answer which was expected by many. I usually say that I love more people. That is the very first thing which I love the more about India. And someone can ask me, how do you answer such reply to the question which I've been asked? Well, just to explain myself, I love more people here in India because of two simple reasons which I gave myself as reasons, and those reasons are just that they practiced more humanity and are more realistic in everything which they do. And then how again can you explain something like that? Let me explain myself, and the explanation which I'm going to give will help us to go more and explain why do people say that Indians are childish or they appear immature in most of their things. Very first thing which I want to explain is how Indians try to be more human, and which I say they have more sense of humanity in them. And then after, I will explain also how Indians are more realistic in their things. First, let's start with being more human. This is something which I've seen many times here in India. People who can try to help you without knowing who you are, or sometimes people who have honesty at a level which you can't understand. Someone dressing very simple when they have too much money, someone giving his money to someone who they never met, someone who they don't know, and helping you regardless who you are. This is something which I personally witnessed here in India when I couldn't get it even in Africa, where there are other fellow Africans in other countries which I visited in Africa. And that was something which really astonished me on why do these people sometimes help me in streets and sometimes even give me money when I don't even know them, they never met me before. One of the other things which even happened again recently to a friend of mine is when she forgot her phone in a shop, and she came back some time after a few hours to look in different shops which she had been passing, and she found that she forgot the phone in one of the shops, and the shopkeeper gave her back the phone. And I was just astonished. This is something which is really rare in other places, as especially in Africa. That in most of other places of the world, we know that people want to take more advantage of others. Yes, even here in India it's there, but it's on a low scale that I can say there is a little bit of more honesty among people, which may find to be a very good thing. Coming to being realistic, this is one of the things again which I love about India. Indians, they have less of this complexity of trying to be how others want me to be, but they try to be how they should be. That is something which I learned more about India. Seeing people dancing in the middle of a movie, seeing someone running after another one and playing games in a university campus. Yes, it's something which is really rare in Africa. Why? Because we try to copy a lifestyle which is not ours. When we produce movies but we can't show our own culture in our movies, that we try to to duplicate the more that we can an outside culture. That is something which doesn't make us to be realistic at all. And sometimes there's so many other things which we would like to do in Africa, but because we want to be seen as other people who we think that they are better than us, we decide to do what we shouldn't be. And all these things, I judge them not being something good, which in India I found that they do it without any complexity. For example, running after another one in a university campus, yes, it's known as a place of people who are now grown up, and then running after another one can seem as if it's something childish, but if you feel like doing it, why shouldn't you do it? These are among the things which I love the most about India. And before I even come to India, one of the things which I used to practice even when I was still in Africa was how I appear in front of people. There is one style which I love the most, is just being in a t-shirt, because I find it to be very comfortable for me and easy for me to do everything which I want to do. And it shows less of if you have money or if you don't have money. It shows less of if you're too much serious or if you are not serious. It's kind of neutral in everything. These are the things which me I like, because they make me being me in real. And these are the things which make people think that Indians are childish. And yes, one of the things which I can say is that all these behaviors of Indians trying to be more human, trying to be more realistic, supporting anyone who praises India, I think these things nowadays are mostly even used even by some business people who try to fool Indians when the only thing which they have is just showing their businesses to India, and they know that if they come in the name of India, everyone is going to love it and everyone is going to support it, which is not something which I personally support. But yes, coming now to the conclusion, are Indians childish or immature as some foreigners says? My clear answer is no. Indians are not immature or childish. Yes, some can debate around this, but everyone has his opinion. But my firm opinion is that I came to understand that they are not childish. The only thing which they have is that they just try to be more realistic with their life the more they can, and they try to be human, supporting everything which can be Indian or which can be religious or which can be love. Everything which is around them, they try to make it real the more which they can, and I really love it. But saying this, I'm not supporting some of the wrong actions which are done by some people who sometimes, because of being fanatism or supporting too much a political side or religion or any other thing, they can push themselves into violence. I don't support that, and this also, I want to use this as an opportunity to make every Indian know that at any time when you meet someone who has a different opinion than you, maybe against India or against you, one of the things which I think many Indians should develop, and it can be a good thing, can be the skills of listening to others and trying to understand them. Sometimes I found it in India that people fail to recognize when they have been shown a mistake, or when they have been advised about something, or when someone says something wrong about India, that they turn more to be violent or to take that person to be their enemy. It shouldn't be so. We should develop more a spirit of listening to each other and trying to understand each other, because I think most of you are happy when you see me trying to learn more about the Indian culture and the Indian lifestyle. And again, it's the same thing. If me, I try to do it, you should do it also as well. When you find any person who has a different opinion than you or who doesn't like India, we should try to understand them more and try to let them come to us or to our mind by peace, not forcefully by fighting them. I think by this video I educated someone, or I give you an idea of how Indians are not childish, but they are just realistic over everything which they do. And I think these are some of the things which we should try to copy, not only in Africa but any other place in the world. Living a realistic life where you do things because you want to do them, not because necessarily you are thinking of copying the life of someone else who is not you, who doesn't care about you, who never even thought of you. So thank you so much for watching video. I hope you like it and you learned again in this video. If you like to listen more to some of the other things which I do, you can find my videos, which are so many. You can watch another video, or also you can listen to my talks which I discuss again about topics which are about different cultures here in India or in Africa or any other place in the world. Also, if you would like to learn more of videos which other Africans make here in India, you can find the link of everything in the description. Catch you next time.